The goal of this video is to find out which of the world's flags is the most unique, and I came up with 5 categories that will help us determine this. Does the flag have a unique number of colors? Does the flag contain a color that not a lot of other flags contain? Does the flag have an unusual shape? Is the pattern unique? And does it feature a symbol that isn't found on other flags? The country whose flag gets the highest score from these categories will receive the very prestigious and highly sought after Ivorography Most Unique Flag Prize. Did you know that 3.5 is the average number of colors per country flag? Flags that have 3 colors like the US or 4 colors like India are therefore very ordinary in this context, and you don't receive any points for being ordinary in this competition. You get a point if you're 1 color away from 4 on the high side and 3 on the low side. So Finland receives 1 point and so does Seychelles. If you're more than 1 color away, you get 3 points. Mexico does well in this part of the competition because of the shield with the bird, but the winner of this category is Belize since its flag has 12 colors. It still just receives 3 points though. Next up, we'll look at which flags have unique colors. Red, blue and white are the most common colors on flags, so if your most unique color is one of these, you get 0 points. If your most unique color is green, yellow or black, you'll get 1 point. And if you have another color than these in your flag, like Ireland, whose flag has orange, Uruguay, whose flag has brown, and Dominica, whose flag has purple, good job on being so unique. That is worth 3 points. The next category is shape. Almost all flags are rectangular, some are more narrow and some are wider, but only rectangular flags that are either square, like Switzerland, or extremely wide, like Qatar, will receive points. And there is one flag that famously has such a unique shape that it deserves 10 points, and it is Nepal. The second to last category before we find out which flag is the most unique is flag patterns. Some patterns are very common and used by a lot of flags, and my analysis is that this makes them less unique. But because I'm nice, I'll give them 1 point. If your flag has a somewhat unique pattern, you'll get 3 points. And if your pattern is really unique, like the flag of Brazil and North Macedonia, that's 5 points for you. If your flag has no pattern, like China's and Somalia's flag, you'll get 0 points, even if it has symbols. And speaking of symbols, you'll get 5 points if your flag has a unique symbol, 3 points if it has a somewhat unique symbol, 1 point if you have a common symbol, like a star or a moon, and 0 points if you don't have a symbol at all. After reviewing all the data, I can say that there is a 7-way tie between the least unique flags. All of these flags have 3 colors, red, white and blue, the most common ones. There are also other flags with the same or similar patterns, and none of these flags have any symbols. Here are the most unique flags. These are some of the flags that I think are deserving of an honorable mention, but didn't make it because of the scoring system. In 4th place with 12 points are Belize, Eswatini, Portugal and Qatar. In 3rd place with 13 points are Bhutan and Nepal. Some people may feel like Nepal should be the most unique because of the shape, and maybe they're right. But in this competition, it came up short because it scores 0 points on number of colors, unique colors and pattern uniqueness. In 2nd place with 14 points are Dominica and Sri Lanka. And in 1st place is a flag that contains the unique color gold that has an uncommon shape, a relatively uncommon pattern and a unique symbol. I'm talking about the flag of Vatican City.